Our 2022 Hyundai KONA Preferred is the ultimate in affordability. With its sun and leather package, this well-maintained used vehicle exudes style and sophistication. Equipped with all-wheel drive, it can handle any terrain with ease. But that's not all. This SUV comes with a factory warranty to give you peace of mind. And to top it off, we offer our exclusive 12-month huggable guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction with every mile driven. Step inside and experience the comfort of the sunroof and leather-heated seats. Use the remote start feature to warm up your car on cold days. The rear camera makes parking a breeze while the blind spot detection keeps you safe on the road. Plus, the alloys add a touch of style to this already impressive vehicle. At Canada's huggable car dealer, we make owning your dream car easy with full financing options, zero down payment, and we love trade-ins.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug of friendship, cause that's our whole appeal. We are Canada's huggable car dealer. Help you find your car for a deal. We're Canada's huggable car dealer. Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals. We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug of friendship, cause that's our whole appeal. We are Canada's huggable car dealer. Help you find your car for a deal. We're Canada's huggable car dealer. Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals. We'll give you a hug